What is up, my YouTube nerds? It's your coding bro Mondo Man Codes here, bringing you a new video in our programming in C++ series. In this video, I'll go more in depth with the string data type and show you some already pre-built functions that we can use in our programs. Let's begin by opening up Visual Studio. Create a new project. Also application. We can leave it as a default, or if you want to name it something, you can. Create it. Alright. We're actually going to do another hashtag include string.h. That will give us all the library, well, the library of the string. Well, the string library. And get rid of this because we're doing using space. Save it. The three main functions I want to show you guys is your string name dot size, which returns the size of your string. We have string name dot append, which takes in a variable which would be your second string. So let's just call that S2, and it just appends that to the end of your first string. We have string name sign, which in here just one variable. You can just assign it, another string, or you can assign it totally different new string. Let's begin by doing a very short example here. So let's do string s1, do programming, right? String s2, space C++, do a string s3, but let's leave it empty for now. Alright, so get rid of this hello world. Let's do s3.size. Copy it and then paste it so we can do s2 and s1. Save and then run your program. Getting. New line. New line. For those of you that just started watching my videos, for C++, if you do C out and then this symbol, it just makes it go to the next line. So it prints this, sees, that /n, that makes it go down to the next line, and then prints, goes down to the next line, and then prints. So you can actually see it without it being cluttered. Yep. And as you can see, our temp string s3 has a size of 0, which is true. S2 has 7, and S1 has 11. Alright. Go down here. And let's do s3.assign s2. Let's do a cout s3. And then cout s3.size. Save and then run your program again. And as you can see, it does this 0, 7, 11, and then our s3.assign, we assigned the new data to be s2, so s3 has in C++ now. So with that, s3.size, the size of your string, has changed to 7. And as you can see, its output's correct. Let's do s1.end. And this pretty much like shows you like basic tips and tricks, so you can go up, down. It just shows you like what type of variables that you can put in there. But as of right now, we're just going to do s2, cout s1, just leave it on one line, so that. Save and then run again. Ooh, yeah. Close that real quick and fix this issue. Forgot to put a new line on this one. Yep, and as you can see, 0, 7, 11, S3 gets assigned what S2's data was, so in C++, S3's new size is 7, and now S1, well, S2 gets appended to the very end of S1, so it's programming in C++ is a new string, and that has a size of 18. What one can do for this is, let's say you're gonna make a whole array or file system for a person's name, so first name, last name. So what you can do is, call in the cn, so you can ask the user to enter their first name. They do it, press enter. Then you ask them to enter the last name. You do that, they press enter. So we now have first name and last name as two different strings. Now we can assign third string as, the first and last name. Then just keep that in. So instead of, having S1, S2, just one solid string, S3. That pretty much wraps up this video. Next Saturday I'll be continuing string functions and showing you little tips and tricks for it. As always, like and subscribe if you found this content either enjoyable or informative. If you have any questions regarding programming or coding, or if you have a preference in what sort of language, or any questions regarding what sort of language I do or use on a day-to-day basis, leave a comment down below or email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And remember, as always, stay nerdy.